What's up everyone? It's Rayvon from Love Lola. Welcome to my channel. Once you've got it all pleated, then basically you're gonna just go and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now I would like to add, for when I went and did the second panel, I went ahead and did, as I did each pleat at the top, I would do the matching pleat at the bottom. And then I'll go on to the next and so forth. Now, I don't do that because I'm using sequins, and so it's a little bit slippery, and I was just having a little bit of trouble with my pleat. So I felt this way made it easier because I can match it up the way I wanted the pleat to look before I went and added a top stitch. So as you can see, I was able to get all of these folded, matched up, pulled, and I think it looks fantastic. And now I'm gonna go and add that top stitch. You probably don't need to do that if you're using a normal material. If you had some sense and used like vinyl or cotton or whatever, this is not a problem. But the sequence is doing a lot of shifting. So anyway, that helped me, and yeah, moving on. Turn our bag out. Once we've got that done, it wasn't too bad. I mean, it takes a little time, but it's fine. Just take your time and you're gonna be able to do it. We're gonna unsnap it, place it inside. Now, if you have not matched up your center points or marked your center points, then go ahead and do that. Because first thing we're gonna do is grab our center points and match those up. We're just gonna go and get this attached. so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.